Hello, friends of Barbara Campbell. Hello, welcome to Barbara Campbell Beauty Live. Listen, everybody, hello. How's your day going? You know, we're talking about beauty today, and I just want to do a little beauty biology, biographic, digesting a foundation from beginning to now. And we started a talk show to talk and address all things beauty, and that means you, because you're beautiful to me. And I want to talk to you about some things that you can start doing today in the AM and PM. Right behind me is a photo of when we first started our show segment, Barbara Campbell Beauty Live, on Brooklyn Beauty Television, BBTV. And I just want to mention that my first show is right here in the bottom. You can see my first show. My first show, I had brown hair with highlights, and my eyebrows were much more thinner. And, on my cover page is my signature look. And as a licensed cosmetologist, I specialize in women's hair enhancement and beauty and the inside and out. And what that means is that you also have that outer beauty, but you also have inner beauty that sometimes if you tap right into it, it's beautiful. And sometimes we just hide that beauty, and I want to see more of it. I want to see the inside, and I want to see the outside, and I want that to be glowing this year. So with do-it-yourself routines that I bring onto the show, it gives me a chance to talk about things that you can do right now to beautify yourself in ways that bring out your natural beauty. We can be talking from a little simple lipstick on the lips, some eyeshadow, some mascara. But if you're not doing makeup, that's fine. You can just take care of the skin by exfoliating your skin in the AM and PM, and you can do that with sugar scrub products, which is natural ingredients, and you can find brands here on Brooklyn Beauty TV products. You can hashtag that, learn about products that I create. My line is Barbara Campbell NYC. It's a signature lifestyle brand, and it's a brand that you can be proud of using, because I believe in the concept of making natural products with the best ingredients, made local, made here, made in Brooklyn. So you can hashtag today, but also you can see some videos that I have here, and I talk and show you how to apply mascara. Let me tell you, when you apply mascara, it's just, sometimes it just, just makes your eye pop. And you don't even need lipstick or powder or any of that. So you want to check some of these out. And then I also talk about hair. I talk about if you're wearing your hair natural, straight, extended, however, hair is hair, okay? But learning styling tip to care for your hair strands, that's key. So you can blow it out, you can wash and go, you can wear it natural and curly. So there's also products that you can shop for this year from Brooklyn Beauty TV products channel. First of all, you can visit the website at brooklynbeautytv.com. You can navigate the site, learn a little bit of what we have to offer. But on the show, I just wanted to show my beginnings to my first video to where I'm at now. And I also want to say women in media, entertainment, film, artists, doctors, professionals, moms, mothers. When you start something, you're so passionate about it. Sometimes you want to talk about it because you are, you're proud of what you've accomplished, and I'm proud of what I've accomplished with the help of my friends at Barbara Campbell NYC. So I want to say thank you, because we're coming close to Thanksgiving. It's the month of giving thanks, and probably all this month, all this year, every day I'm always thankful. But I want to say thank you to everybody who's been so instrumental behind the scene and liking my posts, sharing their comments, seeing me on the streets of Brooklyn and say, hey, I love your show. I watch it every day. My God, I'm like, what? You watch my show? I get, I'm so happy to hear those comments for my friends and family. Listen, everybody, let me get the day started. I just wanted to highlight some photos here. Look out for this image. You can find it on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Brooklyn Beauty TV, Barbara Campbell Beauty Live, the show, the talk show, all things beauty, teaching you do-it-yourself technique and how-to videos that you can do yourself at home. So we're talking about all things beauty, all right? So tell a friend, invite them to the show segment, catch up some of the episode. Sometimes we go on location. This year is going to be really exciting. This year, actually, there's a chair right here next to me. So this year, I want you to be like a model right here on the show segment. I want to talk to you and find out what you're doing for your beauty regimen and how I can help you and how we can step up the game if we need to, or learn about what you're doing with your beauty regimen. Listen, everybody, it's 2018. We're going to 2019. I want to get you ready. If you are about to start a new path, career, new job, whatever it is that you're working on, it always needs a little bit of beauty, and I want to bring that out and front and center so you can stay focused on what you need to do for you and your family and yourself. Till then, everybody, television host Barbara Campbell, come back. I'm going to be doing a show on the next minute on Brooklyn Beauty Television, BBTV. Bye-bye.